Hi guys, welcome to CryptoShiv. My name is Shwang Tatwani and I am your host for this channel. Today is going to be a Ripple exclusive. This one's for the XRP army. Everyone who has their hopes hanging on to Ripple, hoping it'll go up and hoping that this project will take off. This video is for everyone. Uh, we are going to be talking about the price predictions. We're going to be talking about what the Ripple case is going to be like. We're going to be talking about how it started, where are we at this point in time, and positive news about the whole Ripple net and the Ripple basically coin in general. Before we get further into the content, I would just like to say click the subscribe button, click the bell icon next to it to get regular updates. And if you like our previous videos, click on the thumbs up button as it helps the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, get you more targeted content, content that you will like. So getting into the whole story of Ripple. Ripple was created ages ago in 2010. From 2010 to 2019, they have allegedly distributed XRP token as an unregulated security. So the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission of the US, charged Ripple in 2020 December for distributing unregulated securities in the form of Ripple to fund their own projects. When this happened, the XRP token was taken off many exchanges. It was taken off from Coinbase as that's probably the biggest one I can think of right now, and it was taken out of many exchanges. I don't think it's Ripple is still available on KuCoin or something, but Ripple faced major backlash and major downtrends after this happened. So the reason this happened was because the fact that Ripple's use case is basically going to make banks obsolete, especially people who go internationally and have to manage funds on an international level, sending money to another country or receiving money from another country. Ripple specializes in cross-border transactions, and that's why international banks are afraid of Ripple, and that's why this case has been continued for too long. So at this point in time, Ripple has seen a settlement number. They are looking at a $1.3 billion settlement with the SEC, but they are not trying to settle because they are confident that they can win the case. If they do win the case, which seems more likely at the moment because of the fact that because Ripple has asked the SEC to reveal their crypto holdings, and if they are holding Ripple in their own portfolio, if SEC is holding Ripple with them, then their whole case basically goes to zero. So coming down to what really matters, we're going to be doing the chart analysis now. The chart analysis clearly says that we are in a pretty big symmetrical triangle for the past, since the 17th of May. We touched this point, we went down, we came here, up, down. So it's a pretty big symmetrical triangle. The targets to this triangle are, first of all, a smaller target will be $1.35, which we can see in the next 2 to 3 days. The bigger target I will be looking out for is the $1.85 mark, which should be achievable within this month. As Bitcoin already started its rally today. If you were in the Telegram group yesterday and you saw the updates, you would have been pretty sure to open a long trade on Bitcoin yesterday, because yesterday around 1 a.m. I was updating everyone that when Bitcoin crosses $62,800, it will go to $67,000 instantly, pretty much in a day or in a couple of hours. And we are almost there, I guess. We're at $66,000 right now at the time of the recording. So Ripple is going to take a massive turn because of the fact that A, we are seeing a bounce from the 20-day EMA right here. B, this symmetrical triangle has broken out and we have confirmed the breakout because of the fact that if I extend this one line right here, it did touch the support before taking off again. So all of this technical stuff is pretty bullish for Ripple, but the news that we are receiving is also extremely bullish. The first thing I can tell you is WXRP to launch on the Ethereum blockchain in December. So what is WXRP? WXRP or wrapped XRP, wrapped Ripple, is the way any other coin which has its own net can come onto the Ethereum blockchain without actually being on it. Just like wrapped Ripple, there are wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Polkadot and Cardano also on the Ethereum blockchain network. And whenever this happens, this is going to happen in December. We're going to definitely see a massive uprise in the Ripple prices when this happens. The other piece of news is over time, we will see the NFT market broaden, says Ripple CEO David Schwartz. Ripple has been making a lot of investments in the NFT marketplace. As you can see, given Ripple's recent involvement in the NFT space, Cointelegraph spoke to David Schwartz, Ripple's chief CTO, during NFT New York City to learn more about the company's growing interest in non-fungible tokens. So, an increasing NFT marketplace, wrapped Ripple being launched, and also Ripple could be relisted on Coinbase extremely soon. So a lot of bullish news coming in for Ripple, and Ripple has also seen one pretty big news in the Middle East and North Africa region, where Ripple has already tied up with a company called Pipely, and they will be assisting Ripple or Ripple Labs in making cross-border transactions between the Middle East and North Africa much easier, much faster for a very low price. And all of this just boils down to, if a price of a coin is being suppressed by the government for a long time, and the coin is already under development and is being developed even when it's suppressed, when the cap of the suppression just comes off, we're going to see a massive rise to the upside. And that is why I am going to be targeting around $8 to $10 for Ripple in this bull run if everything goes well. Excuse me. Coming to the last point in this video, a Bitcoin chart on a daily basis. We see that yesterday in the group I was giving you all the calls already that Bitcoin will break out, and we did break out. If we go to a smaller time frame, let's just say 4 hours, we focus on this part right here. So you can see that we were forming a descending triangle up to this point. This was the common support, common resistance area in the triangle, and then we kind of like broke it out from here, giving us a price target of about $70,000, 69,970. This was probably drawn a little bad, but the last time I checked, the price target was $70,000 on the dot. And also the fact that if I remove this Fibonacci retracement right here, so sorry about this, yeah, if I remove this Fibonacci retracement right here and use a Fibonacci extension from the bottom of this area to the top, and then here, the $70,000 or the $71,000 area is right on the 0.5 level mark. So it is pretty achievable, and when we get there, we should be able to see a rise to 75, 78, 82, and onwards to $120,000. So I hope you like the content for this video. We have given you a Ripple target for the short term and the long term. Short term is $1.85 in this month or in a couple of weeks. Long term is going to be $8 to $10 by the end of this bull run. Could take a couple of months. Bitcoin is going to $72,000 by the end of this month. Maximum by the end of this month, could be in a couple of weeks. And next time we will be talking about a new coin which will be revealed, and it's an altcoin gem which has a pretty big 100x potential. So stay tuned for more updates. Click on the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.